We live on a farm, so these farmhouses suck for keeping them warm. So I put plastic on the windows, and I'm going to use it to cut the laths that I'm using. And it's a nice tool. Oh good, it's dead. So we'll see if it works. If it doesn't, I guess I'll cut and paste the film. Well, you might be in business. If you do laminate, anything, these things can cut anything. Roofing. I did a roofing video with like 3 tools you need to roof, and that's it. Saves you thousands of dollars, so you can always go look at that video. I use the oscillating tool. It's not this one, of course. It is the Sonic Crafter. But they are great, and it can save you a bunch of money. They're kind of universal now. They give you plates for everything. So it doesn't matter what kind of bit you get or your oscillating tool. Pretty simple. Just tighten it here. There must be a quick release on this. I don't know where it is, but I'll get it on the video of the quick release. But they have that light too, which is it's neat. It does actually, it helps a lot. I like it, and we'll see if we can get this working. I'm going to do a test against the oscillating tool, so that's pretty neat. See how you can go slow and then fast. It's a good deal. I already kind of like it. So I'm going to do a quick measurement if I can find my tape, which I doubt I can because everything disappears within seconds. I just had that. Unbelievable. Ah, here it is. Tape. So, measure it. I gotta make a lath. It is 30 3/4. So we'll mark this up. Not quite sure how I can lose that marker in 5 split seconds. Wow, that is amazing. So 30 3/4. So like I was saying, this is the new Dewalt Oscillating tool. You get a free battery with it. It's 4AH. Wanted to try it out because I have Sonic Crafter, and then I have like a tool shop one, but that's corded. That's not really a real test. The thing I like about it is the trigger. Slow, fast. On the other one you have to slide a deal, and the on and off button is located here, which is kind of a pain in the butt because it's shaking crazily, and then you gotta push kind of hard to stop it on the Sonic Crafter. F50 I believe is what the name of that one is. So I'm going to cut this real quick to show you how super easy this is. It'll cut it. So it's getting cold and I want to stop the air from getting in. It's an old farmhouse. We paid a lot of money for electricity, and just plastic alone saves a ton of money. So if you're ever having high heating bills, this is the thing to do. It's cheap and easy. It's 10 foot by 25 foot, 3.5 mil. You can go bigger, thicker. You can't see outside, but if you're, nowadays you gotta do what you have to survive with the fluctuating economy, and you know, when you budget, there's just, you gotta choose. This is an easy way to save money, in my opinion. Cut this excess off quick. It's kind of pain in the butt. Easy for me to do it. Find the line right there, so it should be straight across. So I cut that excess off so I can get it straighter in my fitting. And then at the end I'll either use a knife or something to seems to be pretty good. Tighten. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, I'm out. What I do when I throw these in, they're just little staples. I just space them as long as the I space the staples out. I just use the tool. So, however long the tool is, that's what I'm going to do, because you don't want too many, but you don't want not enough, because then air gets in and you lose that. And I use as shallow as I can staples. So you take a board like this. Oops. Take a board like this. So I mean, it's got at least half the staple, and they're pretty short, so it works good. And I'm using my cordless Dewalt air compressor, which is ridiculously awesome. So you just go to the last one that I put in, which is right there. I'll measure right there, so boom, boom, I got other boom, boom. And then I'll go on to the other side, and it's not, I mean, you can make it perfect if you want to, but I guess you're going to have curtains over it. And like a new house, I understand, like, if you don't want to do that, but people that can't afford a new house, this is a good way to save money. So then I'll just put the bottom on and straighten it out, and I kind of got a room, put the curtains up, and then I'll show you that, but I'm going to do the bottom first. So here's the plastic, you can't even see it. My daughter's room. You can't even tell it's there. I think it's a cheap and easy way to save some money. So if you want to do that, just get some plastic, get some laz. Take you just probably 10 minutes each window. It would take you. Just need a scissor, the plastic, a nailer, and laz, and you're good to go. If you want to save some money, you're in a crunch, sick of paying high heating bills, put some plastic on the windows. Works good, and you don't even see it.